There are many ways we can get viewers to subscribe, but did you know that there is a 200% chance someone would subscribe if you have the button right in front of them? And today I will show you just that. Hi, this is the Tech Guy 007 and here teaching you all about YouTubing, editing and social media tips and tricks. And if you're new here, then don't forget to subscribe and press on that bell icon. Now let's get on with this one. Right, so as you can see, I've got my logo in here and this will stay in here for the entire video. You do have other options as well and I'll show you guys just a bit later. But for now, let's look at some other creators' videos and see how it looks on their videos. Right, okay. So we got Hale's World, who's got just subscribe in here, just a small subscribe in here, nothing much. Then we have got Jason, who's got its own logo in here. Think Media has also got their logo, as well as vidIQ has got a little bit different button in here. It is just the subscribe button, which is more appealing in my case. So the reason I think it's much more appealing to have a subscribe in here as opposed to your logo is because it's just easier to subscribe, or maybe, you know, have that right in front of you to allow you to subscribe instead of them looking for the subscribe button right at the bottom of the page, where sometimes it can be hard to find for some viewers who are new. So if you wanted to put a subscribe button in here, I will show you how to get that. Go to Google and write subscribe button square. Okay, so you go to images, and a tip that I want to give you in here is that you can either put PNG in here, or you can select from one of the options that says transparent. So then you can choose any of these logos in here. So as you can see, this is the subscribe button for the vidIQ. You can either just take this one and put it on your videos, and this will show on all of your videos that you have already uploaded or you're going to upload after now. But if you didn't like that, and say for example you like this one much better, then let me just save this. And there's a background, there's a white background on it. Now let's see if this is transparent. Go to the watermark area on your YouTube channel. To go to the watermark area on your YouTube channel, go to your YouTube avatar, click on YouTube Studios, and then click on customization. Go to branding tab, then right at the bottom you have the option to upload or change. But since I already have a logo there, I have the option to just change it. So let's click on change. Now select the same subscribe. Right, okay, so in here you can choose to make some adjustments to the image, but I'm going to leave it as it is because there's not much, you know, on the side for me to crop. And then you just want to press on save. Click on publish, and now let's refresh the YouTube video we saw earlier. Oops, as you can see we have the white background there and it hasn't saved it as transparent. Right guys, don't panic. It would usually give you transparent images when you write PNG or select transparent, but in some cases like this, it may just not, you know. So you just have to be careful. But don't worry, this time I have your back and I'll show you a tip on how you can remove it for free. And that is to go to a website called Remove.bg. Links to everything I've mentioned will be on the description box below. So don't forget to grab it from there. Right, so in here you just click on upload. Select the same image and let it load. Thereafter, just click on download. Now let's try this one more time. Go to your branding page, upload the one you just downloaded, and this time from the download folder, click on publish. And now let's refresh the video again, and voila, you have the same image as transparent. Great. But how can you put our logo and the subscribe button there? So as I promised, I will show you how. So here it is. go to the website called canva.com, click on create a design, select custom size and just specify the correct size, which is 150 by 150. Now in here, let's bring our logo. Right, so if you want to know how to make logos or where to get logos from, ask me on the description box below and I would either reply to you on the comments or actually make a video on that. Right, so in here we brought our logo and let's bring it to the center and make it a bit bigger. Then let's write subscribe at the bottom. And so it matches with our branding. I would like to put a rectangular outline around the subscribe. And to get that, let's go to elements and search for square. And here we have it. Let's stretch it so the subscribe button can fit in it. And let's change the color of the subscribe and the outlining to match our branding color, which is red. And in here I want to make sure that the subscribe button is in capital letters, so I select the text option in here and then readjust everything to fit the page. Bear in mind that I can also go on to Remove.bg to make the background transparent, but I think I would leave it as it is and I'll just upload. Right, okay, so I just want to tell you the different options in here when you upload any branding. You have the option for it to be there for the entire video. I start at a certain time, so for example at 30 seconds into the video, or right at the end, but I would like to keep it for the entire video. Otherwise it's up to you, whichever you prefer. And now as you can see, I have both my logo and the subscribe button there. Right, so I'm going to wrap up in here. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share it, and I shall see you in another video with more tips and tricks. Take care, bye.